Hello, this is explanation video for day 4 of our quiz for upcoming RBI exam. Day 4 was social issues. So question 1. The first party line in India was given by. So in 1979, a planning commission task force was chaired by Y.K. Alak committee. We'll write it here. 1979, it was Y.K. Alak committee. Okay, and he constructed a party line for rural and urban areas. Then in 1993 came Electoral Committee. Then in 2004-5 there was Tendulkar Committee. And in 2012 there was Rangarajan Committee. So first party line was given by 1979 and Y.K. Alak. Okay. So coming to second question. Proportion of party below party line is... So proportion of people below party line is also called party ratio or head count ratio. Both are the same. And it is the ratio of number of people in any given age group whose income falls below poverty line. So proportion of BPL people. And it can be said to be party ratio. Coming to third question, in measuring party by standard approach, we measure. This was the easiest question for the day, must do the right one in exam. So it is always the minimum income required to purchase the basket of goods and services needed for survival. It cannot be maximum income because it will be difficult to set a definition for maximum income. That's not possible. Again, it cannot be median income because to know the medium income, you need to know the maximum income as well and the minimum income as well. So maximum income you cannot set, so it cannot be median income. So very simple question. You could just eliminate the wrong answers. Okay, moving on to fourth question. Which of the following committee estimated party line by using the basic requirements of poor like education, sanitation, housing, clothing, shelter and travel expenses? So here it's worth remembering that in 1979 we saw it was Y.K. Alak committee. Okay, it used consumption expenditure. As a measure to estimate party. Then the next was Electoral Committee in 1993. And it used the criteria of calorie intake. Based on consumption expenditure. And the next was 2004-5 Tendulkar Committee. So it suggested estimation of party by using basic requirements of poor such as housing, clothing, education, sanitation, etc. Oh, okay. So it estimated party based on these measures. So, which of the following committee estimated party by using basic requirements, education, sanitation? It was Tendulkar committee. Also, it suggested that this criteria, which was calorie intake, which was suggested by earlier committee, this should be eliminated. This should be abolished. Therefore, Tendulkar method of party estimation was very controversial. When Tendulkar committee estimated party line, the party in India was by Tendulkar committee. It was approx 37%, and to be precise, it was 37.2% by Tendulkar committee approach. And this number was much bigger than the party estimated by earlier committees, which was near about 28.3% by Electoral committee approach. So, Tendulkar committee report, this party estimation by calorie intake method was revisited. So, since then, this estimation of party based on calorie intake is very controversial. So, moving on to fifth question for the day. Which of the following committee in its findings have stated the highest figure of percentage of people living below party line? Same thing we discussed in question 4. Tendulkar committee estimated the highest figure of party, that is highest figure of people living below party line, that is 37.2%. In estimation of all other committee, this figure was around 28.3%. Okay, so which of the following committee in its finding have stated the highest figure? It should be Tendulkar committee. So that was all for day 4. Signing off.